Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce around the market and look for something to do. Well, if you've been watching the market at all, you've seen the last week it really took a dump, although it seemed to bottom out at this kind of level from a few weeks ago. But overall, the market has definitely been on a downward slide. And you can see that because volatility has been increasing, and we know volatility generally increases when the market goes down, so this all makes complete sense. Of course, all the indices are going to look roughly the same as they usually do. The Qs look similar to the SPY. IWM looks a little different. It's been taking much more of a downward slide, right? It seems to have kind of gone below where it's been over the last 6 months. But what we're going to do today is this is earnings season. So we're going to learn how to make an earnings trade. And if you stick around, I have an earnings course that I have on sale. So if you want to learn how to trade earnings in detail, these are high risk, high reward, one-day trades. So if you want to kind of learn to trade quickly, make some money or lose some money very quickly, hopefully you're going to want to learn how to trade earnings. It's a great way to learn to trade in general because it kind of speeds up the whole process. But like I said, stick around if you want to do it. I got a huge coupon at the end, but here's what we're going to do. Google is having earnings on Tuesday afternoon after the market closes. You can see volatility is spiking because earnings is coming up. That's generally how it works. You can see right here the last earnings, same thing. You can see right here, same thing. So earnings always spikes around earnings because it's a binary event they call. We don't know what's going to happen. So how do we trade earnings? So real quickly what we're going to do is, first off, this is going to be Tuesday after the market closes. So what we do is we're going to put this trade on Tuesday about 30 to 60 minutes before the market closes on Tuesday. And we're going to look to take it off in the first 30 minutes of Wednesday morning. That's generally how we make earnings trades. On this platform, it shows me the market maker move. My class can teach you more specifics how to work this out yourself. But for us, plus or minus 643 means that the market is expecting the stock to move plus or minus roughly 650. So if we're looking at this, we're looking at roughly, the market is expecting it to go down to possibly 129 or up to possibly 142. So what we do is with earnings, we go to the shortest expiration cycle. So this is 5 days. So on Tuesday, this will be 3 days. And we try and go out the expected move. Like I said, 650 away from here is going to be roughly 142 to the upside and 129 to the downside. So that keeps us outside the expected move. And then we're going to turn this into a $2 wide iron condor. And with earnings, we don't use the same rules as 33 to 50 cents per dollar width. We might accept less because it's a one-day trade. So for example, normally I'm looking for 66 to 80 cents on this trade, probably. Now this is the market is closed, so we don't really know what the price is. But if I'm getting maybe 50 or 60 cents, I might do the trade because I'm looking to take it off the next day and possibly make like $30 or $40 in just one day. So the earnings is a little bit different. It's much quicker. Again, you put it on just before market closes, take it off just after market opens, after the earnings have happened, and we look for possibly a smaller amount of credit if we can't get the full credit because it is a one-day trade and we're just looking to make 20, 30, 40 bucks right away. So that is our earnings trade for Tuesday afternoon. Stick around here if you want to learn to really trade this in detail with the discount coupon coming up. So if you want to learn to trade earnings right now while the season has started, all you can do is go to this link, which will take you to this course. It's normally $94.99. But through Monday, I've got a coupon that'll get you this course for only $9.99. You really can't beat that. But when you click on this link, it's going to take you there, and there's going to be a password to get in because it's a private course. This is the password, sharpertrades.com. This is the coupon code, which you're going to put in right here. Apply the coupon code, and it should drop from $94.99 all the way to $9.99. So you can use all these codes right here, or you can also download this in the resource section and just click on the links right there. But please take advantage of it while it's available and start trading earnings today.